Greeting my people. There is a system I'm working on, HVAC. So the unit was doing short cycling, and this unit is fitted with high pressure switch and low pressure switch. Though I was suspecting if the filter dryer might have been restricted, but when I connected my gauge, the pressure was okay. So I presume either the low pressure switch or high pressure switch is defective. And since I don't have low or high pressure switch in my location, and also if I was to have, I don't have a recovery machine at the moment to recover the refrigerant, because for me to be able to change the high pressure switch or low pressure switch in this particular unit, I will need to recover out the refrigerant so that it will not lose refrigerant or pollute the environment. Just for me to be very sure that the system is in good shape and it is either the pressure switch or the low pressure switch is bad, I have to isolate the pressure switch. So when I isolated the pressure switch, the system is working efficiently without any short cycling. So this is the low pressure switch. I disconnected it. This is the high pressure switch. I disconnected it because it is being looped to the thermostat. So what I did, I now connected the thermostat directly to the contactor, and the system is working efficiently. So what I will do now is for me to request for both low and high pressure switch, so that I will use it to replace either of them that is bad. But for now, this unit is working effectively without any issue, without short cycling. So those are the unit that I am taking care of. So should in case you have this issue, you need to check your pressure switch. Connect your manifold gauge to check if the pressures are okay. If the pressures are okay, then you know that there is no restriction on the system. So your next point of call should be pressure switch. Yes. Because you have this kind of issue, that will be just step by step troubleshooting. See you some other time.